Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have a digital torque wrench. Look at this bad boy from Vevor. They sent me this awesome digital torque wrench and I want to show you guys how it works. This thing is amazing. So let's get started. Alright, now let's get the digital torque wrench out of its container. It's a very nice container as well, and we have a manual, batteries, and the unit is pre-calibrated to plus or minus 2%. We also have our included adapters of 3/8 and 1/4 adapter. Great. Unit itself feels very sturdy, good build quality, feels fantastic, and nice and long so you can get that torque as well. This thing is definitely going to last a long time. Next up, you're just going to want to install your batteries. So right at the bottom, you just twist off the battery using a flat head or a knife, and then just go ahead and throw in your batteries and then seal it back up like so, and then just make sure you tighten it. Then you're going to want to go ahead and power on the device, and you have 4 units to choose from. I'm just going to use the foot-pounds. That will work for me, no problem. You have other functions and memory settings as well, so you can set different torque limits in different settings, in different memory channels, I mean. And you also have track and peak mode, which is great. So I'm going to go ahead and set mine to 129 foot-pounds of torque, and let's get on over to the car and check it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead now and torque down these wheels. So we're just going to power this bad boy on. I already have the torque set to 129, which is the specs for this wheel here. And like I said, you have memory functions up to God knows how many you can set. So you can set multiple different memory buttons. You have your unit and other features as well. But I have this set here. Now, there's also 2 different functions here that you can use when torquing down. We're gonna go ahead and use the first one. And apparently you also get a vibration and a beep when it's done. So let's see. There you go. Heard that beep? Yes, I got a beep and a vibration. Nice. Perfect. Great. Lets you know when to stop. You get a vibration and a beep, which is very cool so that you don't over tighten these bolts. Let's try again. Okay, I'm going to see if you guys can hear the noise. You can see as I press down, the digital meter goes up. Gives you a nice beeping noise when you're getting close and a buzzing sound when you're in. Here we go. You saw the red light. Let you know you went a little bit too much. Green. Perfect. Perfect. Once again, green and buzzing sound. Red if you go over. And guys, that was the Vevor Digital Torque Wrench. Look at this thing. It is freaking extremely long and it can handle any bolt you throw at it. Really good device. Check it out. Looks good. Link will be in the description. We'll see you guys on the next video.